Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Check it out, check it out. It's horsepower. Oh, it's got fire wheels. That's pretty cool. Which one's this one? Wow, it's purple. That's a purple son of a digger. Wow. Huh. Did we find all of them? Was there just two? Just kidding. There's another one right here. It's necessary roughness. That's pretty neat. Whoa. Hey, it's Superman. Superman, or you could pretend it's Sparkle Smash. It's up to you. Pretty cool. Check it out, check it out. It's double decker. It's a truck with a car on its back. Huh. I think it's got a green wheel, a brown wheel, a red wheel, and a blue wheel. That's pretty neat. Look at this. Choo choo! That's Loco Punk. Whoa, that's so cool. Wow, look at this one. It's red. It's got teeth on the hood. It's smiling at us. It's got red, purple, and green on it. It's the Joker. Whoa, check this out. What's this? It's Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Hey, stop licking my face, silly dog. Whoa, who's this? It's 32 degrees. Whoa. Wow, check this out. It's Bone Shaker. Look at that huge engine. Vroom, vroom. Whoa, check this out. It's got a lightning bolt on the top and on the side. Which one's this one? I don't know. Oh, it's the Flash. That's who it is. Whoa, who's this? It's got a black tire, a red tire. It's got a yellow subframe and then a green chassis, and it's red. It's number 68 Demo Derby. It's pretty cool. Whoa. Uh-oh, watch out everybody. It's Donkey Kong. Wow, that's a cool monster truck. It's got a barrel in the back. It's pretty neat. Who's this? Oh, it's Lion Share. Wow. It's a really cool lion on the top. Uh-oh, which one is this one? It's upside down. It's Dragon. Whoa, does it breathe fire? Oh, it sure does. Whoa, check it out. It's Bowser. I wonder if Bowser and Donkey Kong fight with each other. I don't know. And it's Wolf's Head. It's so cool. It's like a sweet little doggy giving it some attention, some petting. Oh no, it's Zombie. What? But Zombie's missing an arm. Or a hand. Oh no, are you okay, Zombie? I'm okay. Wow, that's silly. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. We found Zombie, Donkey Kong, Bowser, Wolf's Head, Bone Shaker, Double Decker, Necessary Roughness, 32 degrees, Horsepower, Dragon, Lion Share, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Son of a Digger, the Joker, Demo Derby, Superman, or we can pretend it's Sparkle Smash, the Flash, and Loco Punk. Wow, we found a lot of monster trucks today. How many did we find? We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We found 18 monster trucks today. That's a lot of monster trucks. It's pretty cool. Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Today we've got big and small monster trucks. What do you think about these? What? That's not Batman. That's Soldier of Fortune. And that's a giant Batman. Those aren't the same. So what we have Old Gravedigger, and it's a giant Old Gravedigger, and then a little Old Gravedigger. That's pretty cool. Let's see how they drive over the course. Vroom. Oh, they're crushing those cars. That's pretty cool. What about this big one? Whoa, that's too big for the monster truck course. What about Batman? Whoa, it crushed those cars. And Soldier of Fortune. Oh, it's crushing them. Wow. Does this one even need a ramp? Check out this one, it's V8 Bomber. Sure. Whoa, it went backwards. And then the little one. Oh, it's just crushing everything. Wait, this is a higher education. That's not two school. Crush, crush, crush. That's pretty cool. Vroom, vroom. Wow, that one's so big. Look at that. It's just sitting on the cars. Whoa, who do we have left? We have Torque Terror. Whoa. Check that out. And then we've got super really big Torque Terror. Oh no, it crashed. Oh, it came apart. Torque Terror crashed. We need a mechanic. There we go. It's all better now. Pretty cool. The little Torque Terror, big Torque Terror. We got big two school, and then little higher education. Big Batman and Soldier of Fortune. And then these over here, that's pretty cool. It's a little bitty V8 Bomber and a big V8 Bomber. And then we have little Gravedigger, Old Gravedigger, and big Old Gravedigger. How many do we have today? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we've got these little cars. 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 vehicles here today. That's pretty cool. Let's go find some monster trucks. Whoa, check it out. It's Scooby-Doo. Look at that tongue. That's silly Scooby-Doo. Whoa. This one's upside down. Who's that? Earthshaker. He's got a load of dirt in the back. Must be working. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's this one? Blue Thunder. Wow, that's a really pretty blue. Whoa, check this out, check this out. It's Night Shifter, number 22. Look at that. It's got lots of engine. Vroom, vroom. Whoa, it's son of a digger. Those cool blue flames and purple wheels. That's crazy. That's so cool. Check this out. This one has flames too. It's Avenger. Whoa. And it's got red wheels. Whoa, who's this? It's Monster Portions, serving up hot dogs to all of his friends and fans. That's pretty cool. Whoa, check it out. Who's this bright orange one? Do you know the name of this one? Is that El Toro Loco? Good job. Whoa, look at this orange one. Which one's this one? Got little bitty arms that move. It's Dragonoid. What? Is that a hot dog on the ground? It's Oscar Mayer hot dog. It's pretty cool. Watch out, everyone. It's the super monster truck Thanos. Whoa. Look at what he's got in the back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who's this yellow one? It's SpongeBob. That's so cool. Check out this pink one right here. Whoa, it's Monster Mutt Poodle. That's so neat. It's got a pink tongue. Whoa. It's the Thunder Bus. It's got a unicorn on the side. That's pretty cool. Whoa, it's Snakebite. Look at those fangs. Who's that? Oh, it's Monster Mutt Dalmatian. That's so cool. Whoa, what's going on over here? Look at all these monster trucks. Wow. Soldier of Fortune Black Ops, a giant Batman, higher education, 2 school, a little Torque Terror, a big Torque Terror, a little V8 Bomber, a big V8 Bomber, a little old Gravedigger, and a big old Gravedigger. And then all these cars in here, it's Tia, Miguel, and then this one, which one's this one? I don't know. And Patty from Disney Cars. Let's see all the monster trucks we found. We found Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Snakebite. Dragonoid. Look at them crush those cars. Monster Mutt Poodle. Thunder Bus. Avenger. Thanos. Monster Portions. Whoa. Blue Thunder. Whoa. Look at Blue Thunder crushing those cars. Night Shifter. Whoa. Earthshaker. Son of a digger. Whoa, it crushed that blue car. El Toro Loco. Oh no, it's stuck on there. SpongeBob. Scooby-Doo. And the Oscar Mayer Hot Dog Mobile. Wow, check out all those monster trucks. How many did we find today? We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. We found 26 monster trucks. And don't forget all those cars that they crushed. We found 4 of those too. That's a lot of monster trucks and cars. Today we're looking for our friend Radical Racer. It's a really cool looking monster truck. Let's see if we can find him. Hey, Alien Invasion, have you seen our friend Radical Racer? No? Okay, thank you. Hey, Gravedigger the Legend, have you seen our friend Radical Racer? No? Okay, thank you. Hey, Kraken, are you okay? Have you seen our friend Radical Racer? No? Okay, thank you. Uh-oh, looks like Roger Dodger's upside down. Roger Dodger, you taking a nap? You're silly. Have you seen our friend Radical Racer? You did? Wow, when did you see him? Have you seen him recently? No, it was a long time ago? Okay, thank you. Hey, Megalodon. Whoa, you look so cool. Have you seen our friend Radical Racer? No? Okay, well thanks for your help anyways. Whoa, who's that blue monster truck? Whoa, check this one out, it's Stone Crusher. Hey Stone Crusher, have you seen our friend Radical Racer? You did? That's so cool. How long ago did you see him? A week ago? Great, thank you. Hey, Mystery Machine, have you seen our friend Radical Racer? No? Okay. Well, thanks for your help anyways. Well, check it out. It's the Bread Boys. Hey, Bread Boys. Has Radical Racer come by your food truck to eat a sandwich recently? He did? He ate lunch here? That's so cool. So we might be getting close to him. Okay, thank you. Hey, Triceratops, have you seen our friend Radical Racer? No? Okay, thank you. Hey, Nightmare, have you seen our friend Radical Racer? You did? You saw him driving through here a few hours ago? Wow, we're getting super close. Let's see if we can find him. Hey, Zombie, have you seen our friend Radical Racer? You waved to him. You did see him and you waved to him just a little while ago? That's so cool. Hey, Skeleton Crew. Wow, you're a cool looking truck. Why were you in the hole? Oh, you were digging? Hey, we're looking for our friend Radical Racer. Have you seen our friend Radical Racer? No? Okay, well thanks for your help. Hey, Gungster! It's our friend Gungster! Hey, have you seen our friend Radical Racer? No? Okay, thank you. Check it out, it's Pure Muscle! Whoa, look at this cool monster truck. It's purple. Hey, Pure Muscle, have you seen our friend Radical Racer? You did? You saw him just a few minutes ago? That's great, where was he? Over there somewhere? Okay, cool. Let's go see if we can find him. Wait! Who's that? That's not Radical Racer. That's One Bad Scoop. Hey, One Bad Scoop, have you seen our friend Radical Racer? No? Well, you did see him, but he was with Batman? Huh? He was over there? Let's go over there and see. Hey, where's Radical Racer? He's supposed to be over here. That's just Batman. Oh my goodness, what's that? There's Radical Racer right there. Check it out. There's Radical Racer, everyone. We finally found our friend, Radical Racer. That's a really cool looking monster truck. Let's see all the monster trucks we talked to along the way. One Bad Scoop, Stone Crusher, Skeleton Crew, Gangster, Bread Boys, Zombie, Kraken, Megalodon, Triceratops, Mystery Machine, Alien Invasion, Gravedigger the Legend, Roger Dodger, Nightmare, and Pure Muscle. That's a lot of monster trucks. How many monster trucks did we talk to? We talked to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then Batman 16. 16 monster trucks just to find you, Radical Racer. I'm glad we found you. Let's go find some monster trucks. Oh, check it out, check it out, check it out. It's a cool pink monster truck. It's full charge. Wow. It's got pink wheels, pink chassis, and it's a pink car. That's pretty cool. Whoa, look at this one. It's like a special one. It's a special 40th anniversary Gravedigger. That's so cool. See, it's got number 40 on it. 40. 40th anniversary. Whoa, what's this? Oh no, this octopus is out of water. It's Octonator. Wow, it's pretty cool. Whoa, huh, do you see that blue one? Whoa, it's got 2 surfboards in the back. Wow, that's a cool old truck. It's Big Kahuna. It's the surfing monster truck. Uh-oh, looks like this trash truck fell over. It's Will Trash It All. That's pretty cool looking. Whoa, who's got purple wheels and a mohawk? It's Mohawk Warrior. That's a cool monster truck. Have you ever seen purple wheels before? Because I haven't. Look at this one. It's doing a wheelie. It's Loco Punk. That's a cool Loco Punk color. It's a green or a neon yellow. It's pretty neat. Choo choo. Check this out. It's Lumberjack. Got stacks of wood on the back. That's a really cool looking monster truck. Who's that one that's upside down? Whoa, it's Hotweiler. He's got neon yellow tires and a clear chassis or yellow chassis. That's so cool. Oh man, it's Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery. That's so cool. Delivers milk to everyone, all the stores. Oh no, 5 Alarm's upside down. Use your ladder, flip back over, 5 Alarm. Good job. Look at those tires that look like they have flames on them. Whoa, who's this? It's Mega Rex. Wow, look at those teeth. Roar, that's so scary. Who's this? Oh, it's a zebra. It's Racing Stripes. Check out this one. It's Bigfoot. Whoa. B-I-G-F-O-O-T. Bigfoot. Whoa, it's Pure Muscle. Look what we found. That's so cool. Whoa, check this one out. It's One Bad Scoop, but it's upside down. That's so silly, One Bad Scoop. Uh-oh, Gangster, what are you doing? Did you fall out of the tree? Must have fallen out of the tree, Gangster. Get down from there. Hey, gangster. You got goat. Yeah, it's so silly. Hey, that must be the last one. Which one's that one? He's got a crazy hairdo. It's Troll. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. We found Troll, Gangster, One Bad Scoop, Hotweiler, 5 Alarm, Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery, 40th Anniversary Gravedigger, Pure Muscle, Loco Punk, Bigfoot, Lumberjack, Octanator, Racing Stripes, We'll Trash It All, Full Charge, Big Kahuna, Mohawk Warrior, and don't forget Mega Rex. That's so cool. How many monster trucks did we find today? We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We found 18 monster trucks today. That's a lot of monster trucks. It's pretty cool. See you next time, friends. Today, we're looking for our friend Big Kahuna. He's lost. Let's see if we can talk to some monster trucks and find him. Hey, Chassis Snapper, have you seen Big Kahuna? No? Okay, thank you. Hey Dragon, have you seen Big Kahuna? No? Okay, thank you. Wow, strawberry soda, delicious. Have you seen Big Kahuna? No? Okay, thank you. I don't know if we're ever gonna find Big Kahuna. Well, maybe Mega Rex knows something. Hey Mega Rex, have you seen Big Kahuna? You did? You saw him last week. He was driving through here. He was going surfing. Oh, that's pretty cool. Thank you. Hey Triceratops, have you seen Big Kahuna? No? Okay, thanks. Hey, Werewolf, have you seen Big Kahuna? You did? But it was a while ago, like a week or two ago? Okay, thank you. Hey, 5 Alarm, are you okay? Hey, have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? Nope, you've just been fighting fires? Okay, thank you. Hey, Hissy Fit. Wah, wah, wah. Hey, when you're done throwing a tantrum, can I ask you a question? Wah, 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 wah. Have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? No, you're too busy throwing tantrums? Okay, thank you. Hey, Dragonoid, have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? No? Okay, thank you. Earthshaker! Hey, Earthshaker, have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? You did? You saw him a while ago? 1 week ago. Wow. Wow, so we're getting closer. Thanks, Earthshaker. Hey, Max D, have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? No, you haven't? Okay, thank you. Hey, Mohawk Warrior, have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? No? Hey, Zombie Rex, have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? You did? You think he was at the beach? He went to the beach. Oh, okay, great, thank you. I wonder if Big Kahuna's on vacation. Hey, Carbonator, Root Beer Float, have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? You did? He was eating ice cream at the beach? That's pretty cool. We must be getting closer. Hey Gravedigger, have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? No? Okay, thank you. Hey Horsepower, Have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? You did? When did you see him? Just a few hours ago? Okay, thanks. Hey, Rhino Mike. Have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? No? Okay, thank you. I don't know if we're ever gonna find him. Hey, we'll trash it all. Have you seen our friend Big Kahuna? You did? You saw him with a giant old gravedigger? Wow, that's pretty cool. Do you know which way they went? Over there? Okay, great, thank you. What? I don't see Big Kahuna, but I do see a giant gravedigger. This old gravedigger, let's move him. Oh my goodness, there's Big Kahuna. We found Big Kahuna, guys. Look at that, he must have just got back from vacation. He was taking a rest. He's got his surfboards on the back of the truck. Let's see all the vehicles we found along the way. Found Gravedigger, Rhino Mite, Zombie Rex, we'll trash it all, Earthshaker, Dragonoid, Max D, Mega Rex, Carbonated Strawberry, Carbonated Root Beer, Horsepower, 5 Alarm, Werewolf, Dragon, Mohawk Warrior, Triceratops, Chassis Snapper, and Hissy Fit. Wah, wah, wah. Let's see how many we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Don't forget this one, 19. We found 19. We talked to 19 friends just to find you, Big Kahuna. I'm glad we found you. It's a pretty cool truck. We'll see you next time, friends.